Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at the multiplication of radicals. If you've completed the previous video, mixed and entire radicals, then today's lesson will be a lot easier for you. So all variables in this lesson represent positive numbers. And let's get started. Example 1, multiply. 3 root 2 times 4 root 3. 3 times 4, 12. Root 2 times root 3 like that. This becomes root 2 times 3, which gives root 6. B, 5 root 6 times 4 root 3. 5 times 4, 20. Root 6 times root 3 is root 6 times 3. We can rewrite this as 2 times 3 times 3. So we see that there's a 3 squared, which is 9. So root 2, root 9 like that. Root 9 gives 3. Root 2 remains. And so 20 times 3, 60, with root 2 remains like that. C, 2 root x times 3 root 2x. So this becomes 6 root x times 2x like that. X times x is x squared. So we root x squared root 2 like that. Root x squared is x. So what's left is 6x root 2. D, root 3 times 2 root 2 plus 3 root 5. So we're going to distribute like this. So this is 2 root 2 root 3. And then over here, 3 root 5 root 3 like that. Root 2 root 3 is root 6. Root 5 root 3 is root 15. E, 2 root 5 distribute. So 2 root 5 like that. Distribute again. And so we have 2 root 5 times negative 1. So negative here times root 7 like that. Root 5 is root 5 squared, which reduces to 5. Root 5 root 7 is root 35 like that. And so we have 10 minus 2 root 35. Okay, F. Just a reminder for distributing. So we start with here, multiply, multiply. And then we move on to the next, multiply, multiply like that. All right, so we're going to start with that. 2 root 3 times root 3. So we wrote that down. 2 root 3 times 3 root 5, so we write that down. Move on to the next, 2 root 5 times root 3 like that. 2 root 5 times 3 root 5 like that. So this becomes root 3 squared, which is just 3 like that. 2 times 3, 6, root 15. 2 remains root 15 like that. 2 times 3, and then root 5 times root 5 is 5 like that. So this becomes 6, and this here we have 6 plus 2 root 15s, which gives 8 root 15s, and this multiplies to 30 like that. 6 plus 30, 36, plus 8 root 15. Okay, G. Multiply that, root 7, root 2. Multiply this, root 7, root 11. Move the finger over, negative root 11 times root 2. And then negative root 11 times root 11 like that. Root 14, root 77, root 22, and 11 like that. And so this is our answer. Okay, practice number 1. Multiply a to h. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. A, 3 root 5 times 2 root 3. So we have 6 root 3 root 5, which gives 15 like that. 7 times 2, 14. Root 2 root 5, which is root 2 times 5 gives root 10 like that. C, 2 times 3, 6 like that. Root x times 3 times x like that. This is root x squared root 3. Root x squared is x, so 6x root 3 is our answer. D, multiply this, so we have 2 root 3 times root 5, multiply again, so we have 2 root 2 root 5 like that. This is 2 root 15, and this is 2 root 10. E, 3 root 7 times 2 root 7, this gives 6 root 7 root 7. 3 root 7 times negative root 5, so 3 root 7 times negative root 5 like that. Root 7 times root 7 is 7. 6 times 7, 42. So here we have root 7, root 5, root 35. So answer is 42 minus 3 root 35. F. Root 3 minus 4, all of that squared. So we can rewrite that as root 3 minus 4 times root 3 minus 4. We're going to distribute root 3 times root 3 like that. Root 3 times negative 4 like that. Negative 4 times root 3 as such. And negative 4 times negative 4 gives 16. So root 3 times root 3 is 3. Here we have negative 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3, which gives negative 8 root 3, plus 16 like that. 16 plus 3, 19. So 19 minus 8 root 3 is our answer. G. We're going to start with here, 3 root 3 times root 3 like that. 3 root 3 times 3 root 2 like that. Move over, 2 root 2 times root 3 like that. 2 root 2 times 3 root 2 like that. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. Here we have 9, 3 times 3, root 6 like that. 2 root 6, and then 6 root 2 times root 2 is 2 like that. This is 9. 9 plus 2 here is 11, plus 12. So we have 9 plus 12, which gives 21, plus 11 root 6. H. Root 5 times root 3 like that. Root 5 times 2 root 5 like that. Move over. Negative root 3 times root 3 like that. Negative root 3 times 2 root 5 like that. Root 5 root 3 root 15. 2 root 5 times root 5 is 5. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. 2 root 3 root 5 is root 15 like that. So here we have 10 minus 3, 7. And 1 minus 2, which gives negative 1 like that, negative root 15. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.